This video is going to be on a Ring video doorbell. Basically, if you've got a regular bell, like a mechanical bell that goes ding dong, when you install your Ring doorbell, it works perfectly fine. That's what it's set up for. If you have a musical doorbell that plays a melody, or one that you can change the melodies to, you have to make a setting change on that or it will not play your song. When you push the button, it basically plays the first note, maybe the second note, and it won't play anything else. I'm going to show you how to set that up so it actually plays your entire musical song. This is an easy fix. What we're going to do is I'm going to pick the front door camera. I'm going to hit the three little dots to the side of the camera. I'm going to go to settings. When I get in the settings, I'm going to go to device settings. From here, I want to scroll down until I get to general settings. And at the top, you're going to see device name, location. On down, you'll see doorbell chime type. Mine's set to mechanical because I have a bell that just has two notes. It does a ding dong like a regular contractor standard doorbell. I'm going to click on mechanical, and it's going to bring up a drop down. If you have a musical chime, what you do is you pick that. You switch this to digital. Once you switch it to digital, it's going to ask you for how long it plays. So depending on the melody you have, if you're just playing a Westminster, it may be 8 seconds, it may be 10 seconds, depending on the song you're playing. So what you've got to do is basically pick a time, 5 seconds. And then once you do that, you'll save it, you'll hit done. You're going to hit save at the top. And then what you'll do is you'll go back to the doorbell, press it, and see how long it plays. If need to, you go back, you repeat the settings, and you increase the time. Or if it starts playing the song again, you want to decrease your time. I'm going to set mine back to mechanical because if I don't, what happens is if it's set to digital and you've got a mechanical bell, when you press the doorbell in, it's like pressing and holding the doorbell in. You can send too much power and eventually do damage to your doorbell. So I'm going to save my settings. I'm going to go back to the beginning and I'm ready to go. So that's all there is to setting your Ring video doorbell, Video Doorbell Pro 2 to play musical doorbells, digital doorbells, song doorbells, whatever you want to call them. If it's anything besides a regular mechanical ding dong bell, that's what you need to do to make the changes. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. I'll be doing more tutorials on the Ring doorbell, show you how to set up motion zones and some other things.